Marketing is all about creating a sense of desire. I repeat, marketing is all about creating a sense of desire. My name is Narra Srithika. I am a student of Dhruva College of Management, Hyderabad. Let me take you through the world's largest furniture seller, IKEA. How IKEA earns $40 billion every year by selling furniture. Firstly, IKEA is a Swedish furniture company. It is so huge that it has about 445 stores worldwide, and it also has more than about 2.17 lakh workers, and earns a great revenue of more than $40 billion every year. What is so special in IKEA? That it has been able to build a $40 billion empire. Answer to this question lies in one of the most beautiful case study by Harvard Business Review in 1950s. In American culture, mothers used to bake cake for their kids. It used to take one day and for the preparation of the cake, and it was a very long process. So the company called General Mills has introduced a cake mix which was very minimize the efforts, minimize the time, and the taste was very delicious. We just have to add some water in the cake mix, that it can only take one day to prepare the cake. But the product failed in the market. They did not understand what's the reason behind it. So what was wrong in the product? They hired a few psychologists to find out what's wrong in the product. There was nothing wrong in the product. The problem was that the mothers considered that the cake mix was an insult to their efforts. They believed that they were deceiving the husbands and children. So they came out with an other product. In this product, there was nothing much easier. Instead, they have added some hurdles, whereas adding some eggs and few more ingredients to the cake mix. And that was when psychologists of General Mills understood that it was a very important lesson in human psychology, and that was no matter how inefficient the work, no matter how bad the product is, if a person has actually put an effort to bring out what kind of output the person is having, extraordinary value towards the product. That's how they concluded labor leads to love. Secondly, coming to IKEA, it is exactly the phenomena that IKEA applied to its furniture. Coming to others, the manufacturer, and then they shift to the retailer, and then they shift to the store and to the warehouse, and then to deliver to their house. But coming to IKEA's furniture, they packed in such a way that it could fit in your car, and they could come in pieces that we could assemble the furniture in your home, and it comes in a concept of DIY, do it yourself. Customers started to believe a very good relationship and extraordinary sense of value towards their IKEA furniture, because it was assembled furniture by themselves, because they are assembling furniture by themselves. So that's how shipping so far became super efficient, so that customers could take their furniture home to their home, and that's how the supply chain was turned so efficient, and the cost reduced by such a large extent that IKEA was able to provide premium furniture at a very low cost. And that's how IKEA found their golden recipe of providing low price and high value products. And that's the reason why IKEA today is a $40 billion company. By concluding, the three main concepts in mind, that is that the task that you have given to your customer should not be that easy, and the customer should have put some effort to complete that task. And lastly, you gotta make sure that the task which was designed that has to be successfully completed by the customers. And apart from this, there is also an extraordinary business lesson that to build an extraordinary brand, No matter what kind of brand you are, if you are able to engage in a consumers that will help you create extraordinary sense of value. Thank you, Srithika, for it.